Hi fam, welcome to my YouTube channel, and on this occasion I'm going to be showing you how to add these animations to your already existing design. And if you don't know how to make this design, I'm also going to drop a link in the description where you can make this classic design on your cell phone. Alright, let's dive right into it. The application I'm going to be using for this is called the Canva app. Alright guys, now we're inside of the Canva app. You're going to have to select from your recent designs, okay? Select on this. Okay, here's the design we already did. If you want to learn how to make this design, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below on how I made this design from scratch to finish. If you want to add animation to everything, you just have to click on the background. When you've clicked on the background, you scroll until you could find animation. Click on animation. Then you're going to find this. So you see, it gives animation to everything you've designed. Okay, this is way classic. But let's say you want to add animation to things one after the other. You want to give different kind of animation to different kind of things on your design. You have to click on the particular thing you want to add the animation to. Scroll over until you could find the animation button. You click on it, and then you select whichever kind of animation you want to add to it. Okay, you see the one I just added a different animation to does its own thing differently from the rest. Hope you're seeing that. It comes up differently from the rest. You can try playing around with all the different effects you find there, and when you're done, all you have to do is click on the play button up here, and it's going to give you a full effect of what you've just done. To add audio sound to your animations, you just have to click on the plus sign here. Then among these options, you scroll until you find audio. You click on audio, and then there are going to be a list of sounds here you could pick from. Like I always said, the one with the crown are for pro, and then the one without the crown are the ones for free versions. So I'm just gonna have to select this one. Right here, it's added to my design. So let's say you're done. You click on this icon here. You select download, and then you select download. And then the magic happens. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and the notification button as well. Gotcha.